KevG Weather Overview, looking at the National Center for Atmospheric Research. If you Google NCAR and radar, you'll get these great radar images from our area. And this is over the last 2 hours. We have showers and storms moving in, and these can have some small hail with them as they move through. Now it's about 5:45 p.m. on Monday, recording this one. So within the next couple of hours, these will be working through, and they're almost to the Bergen Passaic Rockland Triangle there, and they will be moving from west to east. And these showers may affect the big ball game in the Bronx tonight, as the Yankees take on the Cleveland Guardians in a winner-take-all game. So that's starting around 7 o'clock. It may be delayed from the start, but from the looks of things, this will get on out of here, and we'll be able to play ball in the Bronx. Now, I thought I'd show you the wake-up temperatures the next couple of mornings, the next 3 mornings actually, because we're looking at the coldest morning low temperatures that we've seen in quite a while, definitely for the fall season, as it were, in 2022. Now, this is for tomorrow morning's wake-up temperatures, around 48 in the city. But look at Wednesday morning, big drop. When you wake up Wednesday morning, a few degrees colder in and around the city, and look at that, 20s and 30s north and west, or flirting with freezing. And then the Thursday morning wake-up temperatures, not much better, but a shade more mild, in and around the city, basically the same. So we're looking at three back-to-back-to-back cold mornings. So get ready. It'll be quite a difference from what we've seen, as we've really lucked out with some nice fall weather the last few days. Now, once this front plays through, we'll see it go by, and then we'll get this pretty decent northwest wind, and that'll usher in temperatures not getting out of the 50s during the day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And this trough will just have to pull out, and then once that goes through, we'll be looking at some very fine weather. Now, I want to look at the older run of the model, because the newer run of the model is playing through right now, and it's not quite done. So you can see this upper low over Canada. Once it lifts to the north, the winds go straight west. And if you liked last weekend's weather, I mean, this weekend is going to be an exceptionally beautiful weekend with all the foliage really starting to peak. And we're going to see our temperatures really warm up again, with near 70 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the warmest 2 days being Saturday and Sunday. Now, the model tried to spin up a low off the coast, and this is by October 24th, but it has it out to sea. I'll keep an eye on it, but it looks like a pretty overall quiet weather pattern, with the real takeaway being that the temperatures are going to be what they are for the next 3 days. But once that's kind of done with, we're going to set ourselves up for a very nice fall weekend. We hit about 65 today. Tuesday during the day, we're looking at no better than 56, 57. So that's almost 10 degrees colder than what it was today. And then Wednesday, I think we hit the core of the cool, with highs not getting above 55 in many places. And then Thursday, slight moderation, highs around 57, but then we round the bend. 62 on Friday, and then Saturday, look at this. This is a gem setting up for this weekend, assuming that low stays off the coast, which I think it will. And then Sunday, we take it up just slightly, but it is going to be spectacular, especially coinciding with the fall foliage. Definitely a weekend to make outdoor plans. And if you liked last weekend, like I said, it's going to be very nice indeed. So watch that line of showers push through. Yankee fans, get ready. And we will be looking at some baseball eventually tonight. And after that, smooth sailing, nice weather pattern, albeit chilly through Thursday.